Cheers.
Cheers.
Why are you?
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Don't be so special. Pull my sheet up some more.
See, it is really far forward compared to Susan's.
Dude, okay.
Okay, guys. Okay. Don't make me pull this car over. I'm gonna reach back there and swat you, but my seat's too fucking low.
Jump out of this car.
Well, we'd probably get there faster.
I can only eat applesauce.
Tyler, I have some applesauce if you need some.
You can eat half and then put it in the fridge. Eat the other half later.
Show me the applesauce? Yeah, he can fit that in his khakis.
Your cargo shorts?
What is happening?
Don't be a dickling.
Don't.
Don't be rude.
I wanna be a little dickling.
I don't like that. Hello, I'm Kayleen with Nanamax. Welcome back to the 5 o'clock news. It is currently not raining. How do you feel about that, Irina?
You know, Kayleen, I'm quite happy with the results. Yeah.
Yeah, it's honestly, it's fantastic. There's no rain.
And it's not cold.
No, it feels amazing. And we're getting food. We're getting chicken nuggies. Sandwiches from Chick-fil-A.
Chickies.
Chicken nuggies.
Chicky stuff.
Chicky stuff.
We like chicky stuff.
Maddie is currently shooting. Maddie, how do you feel about that?
Oh, Kayleen.
She has no comment. She has no comment at this time. Hello, Susan. It's currently not raining. How do you feel about that?
Thriving.
We're thriving.
My hair is flat.
Hashtag thriving.
Hashtag thriving. Susan is also wearing a winter parka when it's 65 degrees. And we're wearing swimsuits. Got a nice pool.
In Bali.
We're in Bali. LA. They put away a lot of the props because it was pouring down rain, but we have these cute little egg chairs. And we also have lots of palms, this adorable umbrella. We're doing great, sweetie.
Hi. Tyler doesn't know that he has a smolder, but he has a smolder where he goes, "Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't notice you there. Sorry." Hey, Jeremy.
Oh my goodness.
Turn my heat up. We gotta do it on a wall together.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Oh, that's like a horror movie. Wow, hey, you look like you need the Frenchman.
Please fall. You're like, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
That was all at once. Is that what it is? It's a cyst?
It's called a ganglion.
Go.
If you kick me in the Crocs, I'm gonna get real bit.
Oh my
Stop being
God. Nope. I literally did the same exact thing. Yeah.
Block on my knob.
That's why I don't want to try it. Ow. Somebody in the room over just heard a camel collapse. I think our room is actually bigger.
bigger.
I think my room's bigger than this.
It's not bigger.
Wait.
Size doesn't matter. So we're gonna start doing this really cool thing where we put coupon codes in our vlogs, and they're gonna be sneakily like just tucked in there somewhere. Which means you have to watch the whole vlog to find the coupon code. And I'm not gonna say how much they're for because I don't know, they might vary. But yeah, we're gonna start doing coupon codes. So you better watch the whole damn vlog. By the way, this is only for the LA vlogs. Okay, cool, bye.
Like,
Share.
Subscribe.
comment down below.
Follow us on all of our social media at Nanamax.